Hello, this is Millie from Foshan Hero Metal, which is located in Foshan, China. We are a manufacturer of tie trim in aluminum, stainless steel, PVC, bronze, with more than 15 years experience. Today, I would like to introduce our tie trims in stainless steel, which used in decoration for ceramic. We have many shapes of these products. You can see we have L shape with bright silver color, square shape with rose gold color, and round shape with black color, U shape with gold color. Regarding the special sizes are also welcomed for customization. If you are interested in any of these products, just call me. Thank you. Bye bye.